Let's learn together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present how to apply this line on your Solidworks. Okay, first sketch and then click the top plane. Okay, first click line. Okay, click anywhere you want. Okay, let you see this. We have a 180 degree, we have a 90 degree, we have a 0 degree, we have a 45 degree. Okay, let me choose 180 degree. Okay, and then click right. Okay, to make another line, we choose line and then click on this point and then release your mouse. Okay, to make another line, we click on this point and then release your mouse. Okay, and then point and then click right. Okay, let you see this line and this line is not parallel. Okay, we choose to this line like that and then we choose parallel. Okay, and then click right. Okay, okay, we go to the another line. Okay, and then release your mouse and then click right. Okay, this line is not vertical if you see. Okay, we click right on this line and then make this line on vertical. Okay, like that. Okay, and then click right. Okay, let's go to the another line. Okay, okay, vertical. Okay, and then how to create the circle. Okay, and then you click and then you go back on this point and then you make a new circle of this line. Okay, and then click right. Okay, let me see how to parallel the circle. Okay, we make the new line and then we make the another line on 135 degree and then click right. Okay, choose these two line. Okay, and then make parallel equal. Okay, we have a same length of this line. Okay, and then we parallel this line. Okay, we have two same line on this sketch. Okay, that's all for my presentation about this line on the Solidworks.